Welcome back to another walk around and test drive at Coyote Classics. Today we're checking out one of the nicest cars on our lot. This is a 1973 Mustang Mach 1. Fully rotisserie restored, all painted body color underneath. Factory Q code car. That great sound and dual exhaust. The quality of this car is just second to none. We're blessed now to have two really nice Fords. This one, and then we just got in a 67 Fairlane S-Code GTA car that's just as nice as this. It's a stunning car. Under the hood's 351 Cleveland. You can tell when they restored it. I mean, even just the quality under the hood, all the right stickers. Got the ram air all functional. Paint on the engine block, under the hood, firewall, all that's just show quality.
This has got to be one of the nicest 73 Mustangs we've had in a while.
Yeah, it's got to be the nicest. It's the nicest one we probably ever had, and definitely one of the nicer ones for sale out there on the market today. Even all just the little hardware, everything's just been done. It's a Q code car. In 73, the only 4-speed Mustangs you could get would have been the Q code Mach 1s. Just really nice. Hood lines up great. It's got just a light coat of dust from sitting out here this morning, but make sure you go to the website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage pictures. All new parts underneath there, all painted red, and just looks awesome. See if I can give you a little sneak peek of that, but that's the quality of this car. Door lines up awesome. Over the roof is really nice. Really straight up and down the sides. Pairing the rear tire looks awesome. Interior's, it's hard to say anything's perfect, but the interior's about as good as you're gonna find one. Rocker's great. Door jamb paint's just as nice as the rest of the paint on the car. Corner of the door's perfect. Door panels are very nice. So is the dash. It's got the Hurst 4-speed shifter. Seats are in awesome shape. Back seat's nice as well. It's got 2 6x9s in the back. Headliner's great. We'll check out the driver's side here in a few minutes, but overall, it's a really nice car. As you heard, dual exhaust sounds awesome. It's got a really nice throaty sound to it. All the chrome's been redone. Trunk lid lines up awesome. Tail lights, they're all like new as well. Back glass is clean. There's really not much to point out on this car. Makes it for an easy video. Driver's side's just as straight. Biggest thing is maybe down here on some of that stuff might clean just from driving around the lot, but maybe a few small chips down along the bottom somewhere, but haven't seen much for imperfections. Door fits great, lines up great to the quarter into the hood. There was somewhere I seen yesterday, maybe there was a chip that was touched up, maybe on this side.
Right there.
Yeah, it's one little chip here that's been touched up. Other than that, this thing is just special. A lot of fun to drive too. Dash pad's in awesome shape. There's your factory VIN number.
I've never really been a big fan of this body style Mustang. I've never really thought I'd fit in it well, but with this one, it's comfortable to drive.
Yeah, the seat goes way back and there's a lot of room. Bottom of the door's great. A couple little scuffs that have been touched up from getting in and out, but steering wheel's in good shape. It's got a factory tack and speedo. Seats are awesome. It's an easy starting car too.
Yep.
Kind of go through what works, what don't. Pretty sure everything does. Tach works, gas gauge works, speedometer works. Over here you got oil pressure, carries really good oil pressure. Temp gauge will check on here in a few minutes, and volt gauge looks like it's working too.
It's got the retro sound system. It's got new speakers in the back too. I don't know if you mentioned that.
Yep.
Live Saturday, June 22nd.
Radio sounds good. Pretty sure this was working when I tried it the other day, but. The heater fan is not working right now. We'll have to look at that because I thought it worked the other day. So maybe it's something simple as a fuse. We'll have the guys look at it in the shop. Horn works. Wipers work. Even the clock works down there. Just awesome.
Cool car.
And the clutch feels really good on it too. You can tell. I mean, they didn't leave nothing untouched in that restoration. We do have a bunch of receipts, Marty report, and a bunch of stuff that comes with it as well. Man, that's a fun car.
Yeah, it is.
It's quick too. Usually don't think of the. Oh, and also because somebody's gonna mention it, the previous owner, when he did the restoration, he went ahead and he did the 71 front bumper on it. The 73s would have that kind of plasticky front bumper. Not nearly as good looking as the 71, so being that he spent all the money restoring it, he decided to go with that chrome 71 front end. It looks a lot better in my opinion. These are 4,500 RPM shifts. Great power.
This thing books.
It does. It always has. Tach works perfect. Doesn't miss a beat. Here the floor rails open up. This is 85 mile an hour down the road right here. It's just super tight car. Throw my window up here too. Test our synchros. We downshift to third. Really good. Second. And then first. All your synchros are good in the tranny. This is one of my favorite cars to drive right now on the lot too.
Yeah.
Just the sound, the power, how it shifts. It's hard to beat a 4-speed car when they're set up nice and when they shift well.
Exactly. Yeah, it's fun car.
And even just the front end at 80 miles an hour, it handles awesome. This combine's gonna force us to slow down a little bit, but and what a fun car, guys. Check it out on the website, coyoteplastics.com. You're never going to find a nicer 1973 Mustang Mach 1. It's about as good as they come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.